Namaste. This is my third video in English. The topic of this video is who is heroine, who is hero. We go to the movies, we see the movies on TV, we also see the TV episodes on TV. In the movies, the actors act as per the direction of the director. While acting, the actors did not have their real names, nor they have their own clothing. Even the hairstyle and their footwear all are as per the necessity of the story. Even their skin color is changed, hiding their real color. The main actors and actresses act as per the story. Their names are in the movies are changed, they are not real names. Their wives or husbands in the movie are not real wife and husband. In all the movies, they act, they marry, they talk, they fight, they jump from the height, they get beaten up, they also die. Their children and relations in the movie are not real. They talk as directed by the director. They wear what was designed by the concerned dress expert of the movie. They dance as per the dance director. They fight, they get injured, they get admitted in the hospital, they die. All these they do as directed by the director. For completing the movie, there are many people who work behind the screen, like cameraman, lightman, etc., etc. In the movie, all actors act. Then only the movie will be complete. It is not only the main actors or actresses that act, it is also other actors and actions. Then only the movie is complete. Movie is not because of only main actors. Without other actors, the movie is not complete. The question is, why they act? They act for money because it is a film industry. It is an industry where the producer puts money and incurs all expenses. The producer puts the money to earn reasonably. Like this, when all actors are involved, the movie is complete. When only main actors act, the movie is not complete. For completing the movie, everyone's involvement is a must and essential. We watch movie and enjoy watching and feel happy. We understand the message the movie gives. We appreciate the acting of the actors. We understand the meaning and moral of the movie. It is as far as movie and actions are concerned, we have to confine ourselves to this. We should not worship or show profound admiration because they are acting for money in this film industry. In the movie, the actors are showing their heroism. They are only acting as directed by the director. Then the question comes, who can be called hero or heroine? We call persons heroes and heroines by their acts towards the nation, towards the society. The action should be useful to the society and nation. Only then we call them heroines or heroes, and not simply because of their acting in movies. Persons who demonstrate courage, selflessness, strength, often risking their own safety to protect or help others. They are heroes and heroines. Those who do actions for common good are heroes. Heroes and heroines are admired for bravery, for achievements, for strong moral qualities and selflessness. They do not seek name or fame, as they often act out of compassion, sacrifice, and desire to serve the community. We know that our mother, in whose womb we were there for 9 months, and she endured the enormous labor pain to bring us to this world. She is our goddess and heroine. Our father selflessly toils for family and the first teacher of the children. He is our God and our hero. Our teacher who imparts us knowledge and tried to keep us on right path is our God and hero. The farmers who toil day and night and produce food for us are our heroines and heroes. The soldiers who risk their lives to protect our country and countrymen are our heroes and heroines. There are innumerable number of heroes and heroines who are in every industry and every avocations. They serve the society and help the society. Those who serve society selflessly without longing for name or fame are heroes and heroines. They are available in all industries, including the film industry. There are heroes and heroines who constructed hospitals and serve the people freely or by charging nominal fees. There are also heroes and heroines who have constructed educational institutions and impart education freely or by charging nominal fees. They are our heroes and heroines. There are also people who are providing drinking water or potable water in the places where there is no water available. They are also our heroes and heroines. There are innumerable examples of heroines and heroes who are serving the society without expecting any reward or name. Let us know that simply by acting in the films or TV episodes does not make actors heroes or heroines. They are acting in the films for money's sake. They are only actors. They are not heroes or heroines. The information which needs to be told, this information is to be told in detail to our generations and to the next generation. This is our responsibility so that our generation and our next generation do not simply call movie actors heroines or heroes. Let us all take this as our responsibility and ensure that our generation and generations to come are on the right path. Let us do this as our sacred responsibility to make our generation and the coming generations to be responsible citizens of the country. In this direction, let us see this to be a reality. Namaste.